And today's 2 Minutes of Science is all about a do-it-yourself project on one of these steel forms. In this case, it's the Enterprise from the Next Generation series. Now this is a fairly complicated puzzle, not for the faint of heart, but you can do it as I'm demonstrating here. It took me, in all told, about 2 hours to get it all put together, and the major steps I'll show you here. First part is taking all the little pieces apart and keeping track of them. The metal is sharp enough to cut your fingers if you're not careful, so you must be careful. Also, you can use nips to cut the little corners, but unless you have a very sharp pair that can fit into the inside areas, it's better to try and fatigue them. That's moving the metal back and forth until you can take the pieces out. When we get ready to assemble, again, you need to look at the instructions, take a look at all the pieces, and dry fit them first to make sure you know what you're doing, because it's a fairly complex puzzle. There's a lot of science in this, and in puzzles in general, because of course, the whole idea behind science is to figure things out, and then to prove them out. So with a puzzle like this, if you've proven it out, you actually have something to look at the end of the process. You can start with whatever hypothesis you wish about how to put the pieces together, but if they don't work, then you really haven't done the science correctly. And this little puzzle is a good example because, among other things, you have to put curves in material. In order to do that, you have to figure out how to take out a slice of the circle so that they'll bend over. There's a lot of interesting things that you can learn from these simple puzzles. Besides that, the end result is kind of cool. You have a little model of Enterprise